Deception number 4, the definition of science cannot allow for God. That's what atheists or evolutionists or naturalists will try to say. The definition of science cannot allow for God, which I agree with kind of. In fact, here's their definition that they oftentimes use, or something similar to this. Science is knowledge gained by observation and experimentation of natural phenomenon. There can be only natural explanations. I agree kind of, but I would tweak this definition a little bit, and let's look at it here. Watch the screen. I'm going to flip back and forth between 1 and 2, and you can see what I change. Here's 2. Anybody see what happened, what changed? Should I go back to 1? Back to 1. They add on to their definition of science that there can only be natural explanations for things. And I would disagree. Yes, science is a study of natural phenomenon, of natural things using natural processes. But if we have a consistent, confirmed eyewitness testimony that's well documented, that says God created this way, and I think also the evidence shows that with the design of within animals and living beings and things, that they couldn't have evolved, or that the moon couldn't have come into form naturally, or stars even, or planets. I think there's a good reason to believe this good, consistent, confirmed historical eyewitness testimony. So, and in fact, this is, I think, an interesting quote here. Even if all the data point to an intelligent designer, such an hypothesis is excluded from science because it is not naturalistic. If all of the evidence, all of the data stacks up to say there is a God or a creator, an intelligent designer, we can't believe that. We cannot, use that because it's not naturalistic. So again, you see the challenge there with that deception. And I believe God uses natural laws, but is not limited to natural laws. I think that is the truth. And I think, again, if we have that Bible, that's a good, confirmed, consistent eyewitness testimony that I think we can legitimately use the Bible, and it's very logical that way.